Okay, welcome to Collegedeskgh. In this tutorial, you're going to look at how to add Collegedeskgh or any other website, Collegedeskgh website or any other website of your choice to your phone home screen, so that whenever you want to, visit those sites, you can easily just tap on the site on your home screen, then it takes you to the website without going back to your browsers, typing those sites. Sometimes it takes much time. Okay, so this is easier way of accessing your favorite website by adding them to your phone home screen. So first of all, what we do is that you need to get what we call a browser we call Google Chrome browser. If you don't have one on your Android phone, this tutorial particularly favors those who are using Android phones. So if you don't have Google Chrome browser on your Android phone, what you do is just quickly download it. I have on my phone, so you see the update there. If you don't have, you see a downloading button here, which you just click and download into your phone and install. Now let's assume you have done that and you have installed the Google Chrome browser. So what you do is to move into your browser. Good. Then you go to visit your site. Good. Now always, whenever you want to add these sites to your home screen, make sure you do that on the home page of the site. So I appear on the home page of Collegedeskgh. Collegedeskgh is the home page of Collegedeskgh. Good. So I want to add this website to my phone screen, so anytime I want to visit this site, I can easily just tap it and appear on the site. Go. So what do we do now? You come to the top here, you see 3 vertical dots here. Tap it. You tap it. Now you scroll down later. Then you see add to home screen. So you tap it. Good. So you see the Collegedeskgh. This is the original name given to the site, so it appears this way. You can anyway edit it if you want, but I will prefer it stays in this manner. It stays with the same name, because this is the original name given to the site. Go. So what we do here is to add. Then as you click add, automatically it is added to your home screen. So let's check whether what we just did, this site can appear, or let's check whether it appears on the home screen, whether we can see this site shortcut or this site's app, let me say web app, on the home screen. So let's find out. Okay, so let's come to the home page. Good. So you can see the home page here. Good. You can see, home screen rather than home page. Home screen. You can see the Collegedeskgh. So let's tap it. Let's click it and see whether truly it will take us to the site. Good. See, that's taking us to the site. Still loading. Good. It is downloading. So good. So you see, this is the home page of the site. Home page of the site. So, home page of the site. You could see. Good, 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 good. So this is how we add website, any kind of website, any form of website. And so let's say you usually read from a site that anytime you want to visit that site, you need to type in the website URL in the Google browser or any of your browsers, browsing engines, and you do that, and you want it to be more easier, then you can apply this method by adding that site to your phone home screen, so that anytime you want to visit or revisit those sites, you can just tap them and you appear there. Thank you for being with us. Once again, if you really like this video, just like it, share to your friends or colleagues in the same sphere, comment on these videos, and subscribe to our channel. We have more of this in the pipeline coming. Thank you for watching, or stay with us till the end of the video. Thank you.